Welcome to today's video where I'm going to walk you through a full breakdown of passive income. A lot of people online talk about passive income like it's some kind of magic trick. It's like you press a button and money starts flowing in. But the truth is, it takes planning, strategy, and in most cases some upfront effort or capital. But once you set the systems in place, it really can generate income while you sleep. Passive income is money that you earn with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike your regular 9-to-5 job where you trade time for money, passive income comes from something that keeps earning after the initial setup. Think royalties from books, dividends from stocks, rental income from property, or revenue from a YouTube video you uploaded months ago that still gets views. Passive income docent means zero work hit, means front-loading the work and then letting the system continue to pay you over time. It's about building money machines that don't need you every day. Now let's go deeper into how you can do this, starting with something very popular: dividend investing. When you buy shares in companies that pay dividends, you're essentially getting a piece of their profit just for owning their stock. For example, if you own shares of a company like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, they'll pay you a small portion of their earnings every quarter. These payouts can be reinvested to buy more shares or taken as cash. The more shares you own, the more you earn. Over time, this compounds. If you keep reinvesting and holding those dividend stocks, your income grows without lifting a finger. Of course, you'll need to research which companies are safe and reliable. When you create an ebook, an online course, a spreadsheet, template, or even something like a Canva resume, you make it once and sell it over and over. Let's say you create a digital planner and upload it on Etsy or Gumroad. Every time someone buys it, you earn income with zero extra work. If your product is useful and well-designed, you could wake up to sales every morning. Same goes for online courses. If you're good at anything, coding, speaking English, budgeting, designing, you can film a course once and sell it on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare. It keeps generating income long after you finish recording. Another powerful way to build passive income is with a YouTube channel or blog. It takes time to grow, but it can become one of the most profitable passive income sources in the world. You create videos or write articles about topics you care about or have experience in personal finance, relationships, travel, productivity, and over time, your content gets discovered. Once your channel is monetized, every view can earn you ad revenue. Add in affiliate links, sponsorships, or digital product sales. And you've got multiple income streams from one video or blog post. This method does take consistency and patience. But if you're willing to post regularly and learn SEO or video editing, you can build something that pays you for years. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is another smart way to earn passive income. You don't even need your own product. You simply promote someone else's product or service, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can do this on YouTube, in blog posts, on Instagram, even in emails. For example, if you have a blog about fitness and you recommend a protein powder with your affiliate link, every time someone clicks and buys, you earn money. Big platforms for this include Amazon Associates, Impact, ShareSale, and ClickBank. It can be completely passive once the content is ranking or getting traffic. Real estate is one of the oldest and most powerful passive income sources. Buying a property and renting it out can generate monthly cash flow. You're earning money from tenants while the property increases in value. The downside is that it takes capital to start and there's some management involved. But if you hire a property manager or use platforms like Airbnb with automation tools, you can reduce your time input. If buying real estate is too expensive, you can invest in real estate crowdfunding or REITs, which are real estate investment trusts. They let you invest in property with as little as $10 or $100 and earn a share of the income generated from commercial buildings or apartment complexes. Websites like Fundrise, Realtimol, or even Robinhood for REITs let you do this from your phone. Another income stream that is gaining attention in 2025 is selling AI-generated content or tools. With platforms like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools, people are creating prompt packs, digital art resumes, code snippets, and selling them on marketplaces. If you understand how to use these tools effectively, you can package and sell your knowledge templates, or even ready-made content and earn money every day. Print on demand and dropshipping also remain solid for passive income if set up properly. In print on demand, You upload a design and link it to products like t-shirts, mugs, or notebooks. When someone buys it, the printing and shipping are handled by a third party, and you earn the margin. Redbubble, Printful, Teespring, and Merch by Amazon are popular platforms. You just need good designs and some marketing to get started. Then there's the strategy of renting out things you already own. You can rent out your car on Turo, your camera gear on Fat Llama, or even extra space in your garage or home using local services. This kind of income is truly passive once it's automated or scheduled. One thing people often overlook is licensing. If you're a musician, designer, photographer, or developer, you can license your work. Sell your beats on BeatStars, license your photos on Shutterstock, or publish your code libraries on GitHub and offer paid licenses or services. These products, once made, can continue to earn you money for years. Now, if you're starting with $0, here are a few simple options. You can start a YouTube channel using just your phone and focus on shorts, which get pushed hard by the algorithm. You can write blog posts on Medium or Substack and include affiliate links. If you love productivity, make tools for it. If you're into finance, share what you're learning. The most successful passive income earners build around what they know, automate what they can, and reinvest profits to scale. I always tell people that passive income is not fast, but it is freedom. When you plant enough seeds and nurture them for a few months, or even a couple of years, they start to pay you back many times over. It's not a replacement for work right away, but it can reduce your stress, increase your flexibility, and eventually give you options most people never have. So whether you want to earn a few $100s extra per month or replace your full-time income, the path is the same. Start small, stay consistent, track what works, reinvest wisely, and never stop learning. If this video gave you real ideas you can use, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite passive income stream, more one you're planning to try. I've added a free passive income starter guide in the description, so check that out as well. Thanks for watching, and remember, your future is built with what you do today, not someday. So start now.